Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick rundown and review of Hanssshow's newest LED strip. I really wanted to introduce this product to you guys because it solves a pretty significant problem that we've seen with the previous LED strips. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around and we'll get right into it. So first and foremost, we'll get into a bit of an unbagging of the product. The bubble wrap is the retail packaging that it came in, and it was shipped to me via FedEx. You may notice pretty quickly, if you've seen one of these before, that the wiring and circuitry of this LED strip is a little bit more complex than the versions that have come out in the past. If you have an LED strip already, or if you put in a power frunk kit and an LED strip at the same time, you may or may not have noticed that as a consequence of installing the LED strip and tapping the generic frunk light and emergency release button, the button actually does not work any longer. And the reason for that is because of the substantial power draw of these LED strips, and the relay and fused circuitry that's part of this new version of LED strip from Hansshow actually allows you to tap directly into the battery and ground it to the car chassis. As a result, it's not drawing power from the frunk release directly, and consequentially then the frunk release continues to work. Here's a quick look at the two additional points you need to connect to install this new version of LED strip. Just the low volt battery positive and also a chassis ground point on the right hand side of the bay. That's what the install looks like fully cleaned up. All up, it took me about 15 minutes to get the frunk out, install the LED strip, and put it all back together. It's a pretty straightforward install. If you're handy at all, you shouldn't have any problems at all doing it. That entire install is fully reversible, and now the button works to actuate the frunk, which is absolutely fantastic. Here's a closer look at the base of the LED strip. What I would have preferred to see here is some sort of quick connector like a JST connector, so that the frunk LED doesn't need to come out if the frunk happens to need to come out for any additional work in the bay. Maybe that's an improvement that Hansshow can put in the future. And here's a quick shot of it fully unwound as well, so you can see how much cabling there is. And here's just a final look at the harness that comes with the LED strip one more time. Pretty stock standard daisy chain for the frunk release button, outside of that fused connector for the battery and the relay that powers the unit. Hansshow also include some really great instructions, very detailed, 3 pages worth of instructions for this install. In my opinion, this install is about a 2 out of 10 in difficulty, and those instructions are more than enough to get you through it. Hansshow also include a promotional flyer and a discount code in the packaging, but you already know that if you use vanilla, you can get anywhere from 15 all the way up to 20% discount on Hansshow products. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you're in the market for an LED strip, if you have a power frunk with the emergency release button disabled, or if you're in the market for a power frunk and want to match it with an LED strip that won't cause any issues, links in the description. Otherwise, drive safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.